know this.
All right, what's going on in there?
Open it.
Open this, please.
Aviva, what are you doing? Tell the camera.
Tell Bumpa, what are you doing now? On your potty. What are you doing?
Read the mantos.
Okay, read the book. Hanukkah lights. It's Hanukkah.
Read this one.
Oh, which one? Why do you like eat, sing, or talk? And we've all got two, what are these? Feet. So we can go for a walk. Yes, we've each got 10 what? What are these?
Big cat.
10 what?
Toes.
Toes, 10 toes. Toes. And we've each got one
No.
nose. Okay. And we've
Nose.
all got two, what are these? Noah, what is this, honey?
Mantos.
Monsters. 2 eyes. We
What's
each
she got
have
in her mouth?
2 eyes. Whoops. Wait, there you go. That can open and close. Can your eyes open and close?
Open the toe.
Okay, Noah, can you open and close your eyes?
No.
And